Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about one of the two questions which was asked to me in the first round of Make My Trip interview. It was for the position of senior software engineer. So the question was they have given this boilerplate code and the output which was expected. So in this code there is this function sum and there is this higher order function which is taking this as a callback function and we are logging the result of the sum. I think over here the argument is 2 and 3, 2 and 3 and 3 and 4. So first time when we execute this function on line number 14, the output is sum and 5. Next time it is just 5. On line number 16, again the arguments are different 3 comma 4. So the output is sum and 7. If we look closely, this question is on memorization because the first time this is executed, line number 14, this function sum is executed, we are logging sum and the resultant, which is 2 plus 3, 5. Next time, we are just returning the result, that is 5, and we are not executing this sum, line number 8. So I think what does it do is, it only executes sum for the first time when it receives this argument, and it stores this argument, and if we call this function with the same argument it will just return the value rather than executing the whole sum. So let's see what I mean by that. Let's create one object, let's call it cache. This function returns an argument, sorry, returns a function, and will it can take multiple arguments. Let's just stringify those arguments. See the now we have a key which is stringified arguments. We check if key is there in our cache. So we'll just check cache dot has own property key. If it is not there, let's store this result in this key. So our callback function is fn, and let's call it with arguments. Yes. And if the key is already there in the cache, we'll just return it. Let's see if it works. Okay, great. This is working fine now. Let me destructure this argument here as well. Okay, this looks fine. After this, the interviewer asked me, what happens if I don't pass any argument? So let me show what does he mean by that. If we just log result sum, what will be the expected output? So in our case, it is sum, obviously, and nan. What if we log it once more? Okay, so sum nan from the first line number 25 and second from the second execution nan. But over here, this argument will be undefined. So what would be the key? So if we just log the key, okay, so over here key is undefined and we are storing undefined as a key. Storing key as an undefined is not a great way to you know store the data in a cache. It may lead to some issues later. So if the key is undefined, we can just store the key as a hashtag. Let's see if it works. Yeah, now the key is hashtag. And let's see if the other code works as well. Yeah, this looks fine. If you found this video useful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you, everyone.